Hey guys, welcome back to the Music School. My name is Abhijith Hegde, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use the transposer MIDI effect in Logic Pro X to lock on to a particular scale and a particular key. So let's get started. To start things off, I'm going to load the transpose MIDI effect by going into the MIDI effects section here and selecting transposer. This particular MIDI effect is a really cool hack for people who are struggling to play any particular musical scale or key for that particular matter. How it basically works is, if you want, you can also transpose a melody that you have recorded by using this transpose fader here, or you can lock on to a particular scale and a particular key on the keyboard, and irrespective of what key you play on the keyboard, it will automatically correct it to its respective scale and key. So to start things off, I'm going to select the root key as F, and here I have different number of scales that I can select. I'm going to keep it simple and I'm going to select a natural minor. This particular MIDI effect also helps you to learn. As you can see, the keys that are highlighted are the right keys for that particular scale, so you can look at the keys as well and learn it by yourself if you want, or you can just put on the transposer on your MIDI channel, and no matter what key you press on the keyboard, for example, I'm going to open up my MIDI keyboard by using the shortcut Command K, and no matter what key I press, as you can see right now, the key is locked, and even though I played all the white keys, all you can hear right now is F natural minor. So I hope this particular MIDI effect will help you to overcome all those musical theory challenges that you're facing in your music production. So I hope you all found this video helpful. For more information about the courses that we have to offer, make sure you check out our website, and I'll see you guys until next time. Cheers.